Well, social networking, we use it primarily to detect fraud rings. People that are working together to defraud companies. It happens all the time, and to insurance companies, to insurers of medical claims. Some of the car companies are experiencing problems with fraud networks. So it's just a technology that's been around, but it was never merged with data mining. So we use our data mining technology to provide additional information to use to be able to connect people together in social networks. So that's worked out very, very well. Well, one of the best things you can do, especially on a recessionary period, is to look internally to find out if there are any processes that can be optimized. And this is one thing that SAS is very good at, that this whole operations research area, nonlinear, linear, nonlinear optimization processes. For example, we have a big retailer that tries to make sure that all of their seasonal merchandise is gone by the end of the season. Well, that means they have to progressively mark things down until they finally are able to sell it and get rid of it. That is a huge problem that's very adaptable to using optimization techniques and methodologies, especially if you can tie it into forecasting, so that we can try to forecast at what break point these goods will leave the store. And this can save companies millions and millions of dollars, especially if they've got 1,000 stores scattered throughout a country or a region. Well, you need and not just a tool, but you need people that understand how to use the tool, or you need to have a tool that's so self-descriptive and so easy to use that just about anybody can use it. One of the in-betweens, of course, is to let SAS do it for you using our hosted environment, our software as a service. And we're having more and more of our customers that are coming to us to help them with their marketing campaigns, to do their marketing automation for them, because they understand that we know how to do that, and we have the experts to help them. I think any company that's got large amounts of data, for example, grocery stores that are collecting point-of-sale data, and if you can tie that in with a loyalty card, so you know who it is that are buying this different merchandise. We have a company called Catalina Marketing, for example, right now, that uses SAS to print out coupons on the back of the grocery store receipt tape. So you'll get your receipt, and there'll be 2 or 3 coupons printed on the back, and they're using analytics to make that decision of what coupons to put back there. I'm not really worried about much of anything. I think some of our technology, some of this blade computing, high performance stuff is years and years ahead of our competitors. I think the social network analysis is way ahead of our competitors. So I think the only thing that worries me maybe is not being able to get stuff finished and to market fast enough. What I look for is people that are innovative, that can come up with new ideas. And it's sort of rare, about 1 out of every 10 people or perhaps have that kind of a trait. So you've got to be able to communicate, you've got to be knowledgeable in your subject area. We are hiring a lot more people now that aren't necessarily programmers, but yet people that understand specific industries. We call this domain expertise. So we need people that really understand how to talk about risk, how to talk about social networks or social media analysis, these kind of things. So these are the people that we're most anxious to have working with us.